Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So to do that, we should go into the Play Store application, and here in the search we'll enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading on your device. After that, just open the app here and click enable in settings. Now you'll see here the green Apple keyboard. Click once on the switcher to turn it on, click OK and again OK, and now just go back here, tap to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard, and after that click here to OK. Now just wait a second. And as can you see here, we get the message that the process is finished. And now we will go somewhere into the Google search, for example, and here we can see the look of our new device keyboard. And as can you see, this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.